Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to compress the big file or folder into the zip format so that you will get the smaller size to save this folder or the file. So to do that, you just need to open the files and you just need to find the folder that containing the big data or big files or anything it is. And after you got it, so let's say I would like to compress this folder, so you just need to go click and hold the folder, and there will be make you accessed about several options down here. And right after that, on the third line, there will be a compress, so you just need to go click it, and now it's already compressed it. So the original one, it could be like more than, let's say here 2, it is 4, 6, 7, and so on. So here it's already got the one format only, so you can just send this instead of sending this folder. So that is the way how to compress the folder or files on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.